Why didn't you tell us you'd been visiting Joel? Shane? Why didn't you tell us?
Because nobody cares. That's why.
Of course we care. It's just hard. Hard to deal with.
What's so difficult about visiting someone every now and again?
I think Mum and Dad would feel ashamed. You know, the stigma of it all. I mean, how would you feel if your youngest son was in jail?
It's not like he killed anyone.
No. He just stole their cars. Do Mum and Dad know you've been visiting him?
No. I'd like to keep it that way, alright? I don't want to upset them.
If you like.
He's going to be out in a year, you know. What are you going to do then? Ignore him? Pretend he doesn't exist, like Mum and Dad do now?
I guess it all depends on his attitude. I mean, if he's willing to straighten himself out and get a job, then I'm sure Mum and Dad will forgive him.
And if he doesn't?
We'll just have to wait and see, I guess.
I'm still going to visit him.
It's up to you. I might even come with you next time.
He'd like that.
Yeah. That'll be $8.50, thanks, Martha. You have a good afternoon now. Can I help you?
Yes, I have a problem. I'm from Melbourne, you see.
Yes, and?
Well, yeah, I forgot my medicines, and I was in the cab driving by, and I thought I was going to have one of my attacks.
Oh dear, what sort of attack?
Well, I'm in constant treatment by a psychiatrist for acute paranoia.
Right.
It's the first time outside my therapy group, you see.
Okay. Well, what is it that you need?
Well, I need some methadone, some Mandrax, some Amyls, Valium, and a packet of butter menthols.
Look, that's quite an extensive list. What do you need the methadone for?
Listen, you're a chemist, right? Not a bloody psychiatrist. I mean, I don't even know what some of this stuff's for.
Well, why the Amyls?
Heart. Yeah, ooh. I also see a heart specialist. I mean, we're talking triple bypass here.
A quadruple bypass. You don't happen to have a prescription by any chance?
Yep. This one's for the speed.
Speed?
Methadone.
Look, this prescription's 4 years old.
Is it? What year do you make it?
Look, this is no use to me. What's your name?